Driver traveling on I-4 early this morning is crediting FHP troopers with saving his life by stopping and arresting a wrong-way driver.
We was heading westbound. We was the cars that the state troopers just passed us and got in front of us and put their lights on. We merged to the right lane. They just saved their lives by 15 seconds. And that car that was oncoming.
Well, troopers arrested that driver, Alejandro Cancel Montez, for DUI and driving without a license. They say he was going westbound in the eastbound lanes of I-4 around 3 this morning and pulled him over at the eastern entrance of the Polk Parkway.